Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to take a northern pike and make that northern pike into a poor man's lobster meal. So, grab a hold of that vine, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because I want to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make poor man's lobster, and it is going to be made with a northern pike. Now, northern pike are usually overlooked by a lot of fishermen because a lot of fishermen just don't know how to clean them. And if you know how to clean them the right way, you can get some excellent fish fillets out of them, and you can get some dynamite poor man's lobster to serve to your family. So I have boiling on the stove 6 cups of water. To the 6 cups of water that I have boiling on the stove, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of salt. So I'm going to go over to the stove. I'm going to put my sugar and my salt in. Now, before adding our sugar and our salt, you're going to want to have your water on the stove in your saucepan at a hard rolling boil. Okay, the water has come to a boil. Let's take the sugar and the salt over to the stove with me. Let's go ahead, add the sugar and the 2 tablespoons of salt. Now, bring this back up to a full rolling hard boil. Alright, I have our fillets right here, and now we're just going to drop them down in, and they're going to go all the way down to the bottom. Now, you know that they're done when they float up to the top. So I'll see you when these float back up to the top. I don't know how well the camera is picking this up, but as you see, it floated right up to the top. Now I'm going to take my spider and we're going to drain them and put them on a serving platter. Now, that's how easy it is to make northern pike be turned into a poor man's lobster meal. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, go on down below, give me a big old thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, go up, hit the subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put on a new video. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins, and y'all come back now. You hear?